So I just filmed this look. I think it's more of a Valentine's Day inspiration. It's a voiceover, so just keep watching if you want to see it. Adios, muchachos. All right, we're going to go in with the e.l.f. Daily Hydration Moisturizer. Rub that all over my face. Super dry out, winter. Need to moisturize your skin. I use coconut oil also. Professionals primer. I probably put too much on. No big deal though. We'll just spread it all out. Gonna use some chapstick. I'm using the Fit Me foundation, beauty blender, and I'm gonna dab that all over my face. I usually do probably either I do half my face or I just take the foundation and dot it all over my face and just blend it in. But every day's different. You never know what you're gonna do. Also, the shade matches me super well. It's shade 125. I think it's nude beige, but I could be wrong. Then I'm just going to dab it on the rest of my face. Make sure I get all that coverage I need. Master Conceal by Faced Studio. I'm going to conceal my all my under eyes because, honey, I need it. And everything else. Gonna cover that shit up. Gonna cover the forehead, grab a beauty blender. I'm just gonna pounce the beauty blender over everything and blend it all together. Go over my eyes, make sure everything's covered so I have a good base for the eyeshadow. I'm just pouncing it all over my face. I did go a little extra with the concealer today, but I wanted to have like a full coverage look for if you're going out for Valentine's Day. You know, you want to make sure everything looks very seamless. So just keep blending. Never stop. Blend until your arm hurts. Pretty sure that's what I did. So eventually, when you finish doing the concealer, 10 years later, you look fresh-faced and you're excited to go on to the next step. Okay. So we're going to use the Airspun setting powder. I love the powder, don't get me wrong, but I hate the smell. It smells like baby powder or something like that, and it's just not my cup of tea. But I'm still going to use it. It was $5, obviously. If anyone doesn't know where you get that, you get it from Walmart. I feel like it's super hard to find also. I wasn't looking for it one day and it just appeared out of nowhere. Oh, so here I was singing. I was listening to G-Eazy and I don't know how you pronounce his name. Mark Bassey. It's You and Me. It's so good. Everyone needs to listen to that song. And if you don't know who he is, you gotta find out who he is. He's amazing. Okay, so now contour. Going in with the Anastasia contour kit. I think it's in medium. And I'm just gonna chisel that little line. I'm adding bronzer now on top of it. If it is bronzer, it's the Too Faced chocolate medium colored bronzer. That smells so good. The NARS Unlawful. I think it's a blush. I love it. It has like tiny little sparkles in it. So pretty. Just putting a little bit on to warm up my face. Give me some color. I'm always feeling myself after I put this blush on. I don't know why. Gotta smile, put it on the apples of your cheeks. And now we're doing brows. So I didn't really film the brows because my brows already have a shape and I just kind of fill them in a little bit. My brows have always been a little lopsided. So I just work with it. Eventually I'll go to a brow artist like Kelly Baker Brows. That would be a dream of mine. Oh my God. I'm using the Becca, I think it's Prosecco Pop on my beauty blender because that's what Jaclyn Hill was doing in her Snapchat the other day. She said it was amazing. Damn beauty blender. And put it on. I did it a few times. It looked really good. So I think that's going to be my new way of highlighting. Everybody should try it. I don't know. It just looks so amazing. So Dream Street palette, Kathleen Lights ColourPop. So amazing. I use it all the time. Going in with one of the shades that I don't know the name of at the moment. I'm just blending that all over my eyelid. I'm going to use that as a base. And I'm going to do one eye on the video and then I'll come back and show you the final look of everything. a little of the darker shade on the side. Blending that together. Just kind of blending it all around. Getting a good base on the lid. Going in with my revealed eyeshadow palette. Just one color on the palette. Don't know why I had to use it. Just kind of going over everything. Blending everything together. Making a nice base for this bomb look. Not really sure what I wanted to do with this look until it was really finished. Going and darkening the side a little bit. Going in with it's like a reddish brown, but I feel like it's got a little pink in it. I don't know. It's so pretty. I love it. Darkening the corner of my eye. Going on the top of my crease and just kind of blending it back and forth. Deepening the crease a little bit. Warming it up. Giving it some depth, some dimension on my eyelid. Going with a lighter shade on the side to diffuse the color to make it a little more seamless. Darkening it with a little bit more of the dark brown, making it more bold, more dramatic, more of a night look. Taking a flat tapered brush, using the concealer and going in to cover up the front half of my eye so that I can put an eyeshadow over top that's a little foiled looking and I can make it pop a little bit more. Make it look really cool. Just blending it together, going in with the ColourPop eyeshadow in Sequin. Using my finger, I'm going to place that on my eyelid over the concealer. Then I'm also going to use the brush, get a little closer to the edges I can't get to with my finger. Blend that all together. Looking fire, fuego. Adding a little bit of the eyeshadow from the ColourPop palette over top. And my little dog, Rambo. So I'm adding a little bit more of that reddish brown, and then I think I also add a little bit of the darker brown on the outside. I just feel like it blends a lot better if you add a little color in the middle, so that's what the red brown's for, to like blend everything seamlessly. Makes it look really nice and neat. Just blending it a little closer to the inner corner of my eye. All right, and I am back. That's with both of the eyes all done. I think they're looking really good, nice and smoky. Curling my eyelashes and using the Lancome Monsieur Big Eye Mascara. Oh my effing God. This mascara is a life changer. I don't know why I didn't know about this, but I have like no eyelashes. And I'm very shocked at how it made me look. So I'm going in with the Allure Exaggerate number 143 lashes. Sticking them on there. Attempting to stick them on there. It's always harder for me to do my right eye. I don't know why. I always have a problem with it. Going in with the NYX eyeliner. It's the Vinyl Liquid Liner. I'm just going over the bands of the lashes and going up a little higher on the ends. I don't know, I just feel like it looks a little better. Totally could have put the liquid liner on before I put the lashes. I'm going in with the Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit in Rebel Rose. It's a beautiful color. It's not too dark. I always feel like I have a hard time finding lipstick that I like. But this one, I don't know what it is. And it's only like $5. I think it's a really good universal shade for anyone to wear. After the lipstick, the look is done. I hope you guys enjoyed. I had a great time filming this. I think it would be a beautiful look for Valentine's Day, going out with your friends or staying in with your friends or going out with your significant other. Please hit that subscribe button. I know I'm new, but I swear every day I'm getting better and I'm gonna upload bomb ass videos for you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Awesome.